we'll go down here and give you guys a little launch. Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. This is my first POV in the 340i. So as you guys saw, if you watched my last video, you guys would have seen I'm in another F30. I sold a 335, got a 340. So, you know, we're the B58 gang now. But real quick, I'm just pulled over on the side of the street here. I want to show you guys a car. It's probably not the best place to pull over, but car is looking crazy, bro. For a stock car though, I'm gonna be honest, it looks and it feels pretty good. It's because it's all black. You guys saw the last video, would have seen the cinematic and everything, but I hope a cop doesn't pass by. Yeah, bro. I know everyone be staring at me, but that's what the car's looking like. Bro, this is the worst spot to pull over. But yeah, it's a 2016 340i, completely stock, and it's fully loaded, so it comes with everything, like all the options, everything you can get in a car pretty much. I'm in love with this car. You know, I had to go all black, and it was between this car, F82 M4, and the M340i. You guys can watch the last video if you want to know why I went with this car, but I'm gonna make it into a crazy build. I already got some mods that I'm gonna install pretty soon. I'm gonna get CarPlay actually today, so I'm just gonna drop off a product to a customer. He got a F32, so the 4 Series. It's a carbon fiber trunk lip. So I'm just going to deliver that real quick, give you guys a POV on the way back. If you guys don't know, I have a store where I sell a bunch of mods for BMWs and stuff. I'm going to try to make it out in this lineup. But bro, X-Drive is crazy, I swear. But yeah, I sell a bunch of mods for BMWs. I have some other brands as well. I have like for a charger and stuff, the Dodge chargers. So you guys feel free to check out my website. I'll put the link on screen and in the description as well. A bunch of things, bro. Muffler tips, all of that. Not even sure if you guys will be able to hear the car, but it sounds good though for stock. I'm actually surprised how good it sounds. It does not have the M Performance muffler. That's the only thing it did not come with, but that wasn't really a selling point for me because I'm not going to keep that muffler on the car regardless. Yeah, bro, I'm in love with the car though. Let me know what you guys think about it from that little clip I showed you. Right now I don't even got a plate on, bro. I just have the little sticker on the glass back there. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but the license plate should be coming in pretty soon. I'm going to make the build way different as well. I'm going to try to go like E85 single turbo, but you know, that's way down the line. That's not right now. But I'm gonna make this car crazy, bro. I'm gonna make it 101. But you guys know what I did with the F30, the 335i, so this one's gonna be even better, bro. Super excited for it, and it's a B58. But enough of me talking, you know, I'll pick up the camera with the head mount and everything once I'm on the way back. Alright, boys, so I just sold the trunk lip. I actually ended up installing it for the guy as well. And then I showed him my website, and he was there with a friend, and his friend now wants front lip. So I'm going back to my place to pick up a front lip. I'm gonna meet them there again, but still gonna give you guys a POV regardless. Not complaining though, extra cash for me. It was super unexpected because they didn't know that I was like an actual store. They thought I was just like selling something from my car. They didn't even know it was brand new. So everything I have, bro, is brand new products. But yeah, then I showed them my website, and he's like, bro, can I pick up a F30 front lip right now? Because this car, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I could really finish this car. Well, not finish, but I could get a lot done to this car right now if I wanted, because I have front lips. I'm getting some side skirts soon. They're just out of stock right now. I have diffusers right now. I have the muffler tips. So I really could do a lot to this car right away if I wanted. I'm just going to take my time with the build, bring you guys along the whole process. But yeah, this POV B58. Funny thing, I haven't really pushed this car much yet. I did a little bit, but like with paddles and everything, this is my first time using the paddles, and yeah, we'll see, bro. I can already tell it feels pretty good though. For stock, I think they're making like 330. They're making like 330, so for stock, this is crazy. You guys can't really hear nothing. My windows are up too. I rolled them down once I'm off the bridge. It's just super windy on here. But for stock, bro, it feels insane. I'm not sure if it's the X-Drive, what it is, bro, or just because it's a newer car. It feels crazy for stock. I feel like it would keep up with my 335i, and my 335 was stage 2 plus, and it was a F32. If you guys are new here, it was a stage 2 plus 335i. think I was making around 380 to 400 because it was a pneumatic wastegate, so it was an older car. But I wouldn't say it would gap it or win the 335. The 335 would still take the dub, but this car would keep up. It wouldn't get gapped. That's what I mean. Bro, the shifts are so quiet because I'm used to it shifting like really aggressive and loud. I could get a downpipe and tune and go stage 2 right now with this if I wanted, but I think my ECU is locked as well. I'm not even sure. I think so. I can hear the shifts. I don't know if you guys will hear it on camera, but I can hear them, bro. It really wants to, like, it needs to be woken up. Listen. Bro, yo, it sounds good. Like, it's stock. I know it's not loud. It doesn't sound good in a way as if it's loud or nothing, but it's quiet, but I can hear it. Obviously, you guys can't really hear it, but I can tell that once I get like a callus downpipe and like a proper exhaust or like a res deleter, stuff like that, it's gonna sound crazy, bro. It sounds different from the N55, I can tell you that. Bro, this shit's crazy for stock. Nah, bro, it really grips. The X-Drive is no joke. This shit grips. I can hear the shifts. Yo, I cannot wait to get this car tuned and all of that. I'm going to do some more research on the B58 because I want to go single turbo. I just don't know if I got to do like my trans or nothing like that, my transmission. Let me give you guys a little launch, bro. Yo, this car is no f***ing joke, cut. This shit's crazy. Nah, it is fast, bro. The B58 is not overhyped. It's not slept on. I usually think, bro, everyone just dick rides B58s, but this is no joke, bro. An X-Drive, I don't know if it's a B58 or it's just X-Drive, but this is no joke. My last car was rear-wheel drive, so I did spin a bit more. I didn't grip as well, but this thing is nasty as I promise y'all. This just teases me so much more to get a tune, get a callus downpipe. Of course I'm gonna do it though eventually, but this makes, like, just feeling this car, it makes me want to get it right now. Like, I just want to go home and order it, bro. I could probably buy a downpipe with the amount of money these guys have spent on the products. I could maybe use that money for a downpipe. I don't know, I'll see. Good thing I can I can install the mods myself, so I don't need to pay a shop. Because the N55 downpipe is way harder than the B58, and I did that myself, so I should be chilling. Bro, I could really go stage 2 right now, bro. I'll just go pick up the product, and I'll finish off the POV on my way back there. Alright, y'all, we're back out again. A nice little money run in the evening. You know, it's always a good evening, bro, when you're making some cash. Roll the window down. Bro, the B58 is no joke, bro. I know I'm saying that over and over and over again, but this is my first time actually pushing the car like this. I've never used the paddles before, nor in Sport Plus. So this is my first time pushing the car, and I'm telling y'all, yo, I'm super excited for the future with this car, the build that's coming. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys, a lot of people always have the same question, like, yo, what do you do for a living? How do you afford a car like this? Yeah, it's only a 3 Series, but nothing crazy. It is a crazy car, but you know, it's not like a Lambo or nothing. But yeah, a lot of people always have that question. This is one thing I do, bro. You know, I manufacture the products, bunch like modification products for cars, mostly BMWs right now, but I do have some for like Dodge Charger and stuff. I'm trying to expand to other brands, but right now I'm mainly trying to have as much as I can for BMWs. But yeah, this is one thing I do, bro. Oh damn, the tape fell. But yeah, this is one thing I do, one source of income. I like it, bro, because, you know, it has to do with cars. I like cars, so it all kind of ties into one thing. I'm also trying to get into performance parts. Right now it's only cosmetic parts like front lip and stuff like that, but performance parts are coming soon. So if you guys want anything for your car to make more power, That's coming soon. I don't know how the POVs are going to be because the car is so quiet. I didn't want to step on it too much because a lot of people here, they just step out on the road to cross. Then again, I should not be going that fast, but can't really complain. Look how it just grips, bro. That's the difference. I can floor this around a corner. Well, not fully floor it because you still have to be smart with what you're doing. But my 335, I'll be sideways around that corner. And it is fun, I'm not complaining. I kind of miss it as well. So I don't know which one I prefer. I always preferred rear wheel drive, like I said, but I've never owned a X-Drive car, so I can't really say I prefer rear wheel drive when I've never tried X-Drive. So this is my first X-Drive car. We'll see how much I like it. So far I'm loving it because it has a lot of, it feels way more controllable than the 335. But you know, the 335 I could like do donuts, or I could just like slide it around certain corners. Even at like U-turns I would just slide it, bro. But obviously this car will not do that if I get X Delete. But I don't know, maybe. I don't think X Delete is worth it to run permanently, but if you just want to have some fun. Even like right there, yo. I'm gonna make this car fast. That's also why X-Drive is so important to me now, because I want to make this car fast, bro. And I need it to hook, you know, I need it to be fast off the line. I need it to be able to handle all the power. Rear wheel drive you can, but this is also M4 is rear wheel drive, but those can support way wider tires, so I could grip way better. But like F30s, you can get wide tires, but not as wide as the M's. Alright boys, that's all done. I'll show you guys a picture. I'll throw it up on screen. It didn't even take a minute, so I didn't bother recording, but that's the car. I'll put the picture on screen too so you guys can see it better. But yeah, it looks sick, bro. It is a sick F32. If you guys knew, I wanted one of those as well. I was gonna get a 440i, but I don't know. I'm gonna go down here and give you guys a little launch. Nah, BMW definitely underrates their cars. I've heard people said that before, that BMWs say the horsepower is lower than it actually is, and I believe that, bro. This shit's fast. I honestly would like to see this car do like a race against my 335. That would be a very interesting race, bro. Give y'all a quick little launch. What's that, bro? Is that a cat? You better move, cat. Yo, this shit's fast, bro. This shit is crazy. Damn. Super excited to build this car. I can imagine what it's gonna feel like with like a single turbo, fully bolt on, bro. It's gonna be crazy. You guys stay tuned for all of that. I promise you, bro, this car is gonna be one-on-one, bro. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. This is my first POV of the car. My first time even pushing the car like this. So you guys got my first reaction ever to it. And I'm telling y'all, this thing is fun. It's fast. The B58 is not overrated. I don't think it is overrated, bro. And it's crazy fun. X-Drive is crazy as well. And you know, it only gets better from here. So thank you guys for watching this video again. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it like I said. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.